Hello everyone, I'm back with another hot position lead. Welcome to Plug It Up Finance, where you come to take charge of your finance. If you're new here, welcome. I post remote job opportunities, work from home position, also do videos regarding finance. And today hot position lead is by a company called Cardinal Health, and they are hiring. They have a customer service rep position, work from home, full time, available in their career website. So if you're not familiar with Cardinal Health, the company is a integrated healthcare service and product company providing customized solution for hospital system, pharmacies, surgery centers, clinical laboratories, physician office worldwide. So let's take an overview of this position. Is the work from home customer care specialist. The customer operation support contribute to Cardinal Health is responsible for answering inbound calls from customers to place orders or reorders of medical supplies. Agent will act as a liaison, problem solving order issues, researching account and providing solution in high volume call center. So the qualification for this position will be a high school diploma, GED or equivalent work experience preferred, 2 to 4 years experience preferred, prior computer experience using Microsoft Office system required, customer service experience preferred, communication and active listening skills, excellent phone skills, quality focus, keen attention to detail, especially documenting for proper information, capacity to navigate stressful situation with ease, ability to achieve daily call center metric. The customer care specialist is responsible for providing customer assistance, including but not limited to order placement, product information, order status, order dispensaries, customer complaints for approximately 60 to 80 incomes call per day. Answer incoming calls from customer caregiver, ability to handle high call volume day to day, navigate multiple computer programs throughout the workday, process order for new existing customers, use provide resource company website to navigate customer concern, consult the supervisor or team lead on complex unusual problems, ensure customer satisfaction, and provide professional customer support. And they also require for you to have some type of soft skills will be communication and active listening skills, keen attention to detail, maintaining positive, empathetic, and professional attitude toward customers, capacity to navigate stressful situation with ease, ability to achieve daily call center metric. Also be a new hire. Training will take place Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mandatory attendance is required for this position. Once you have completed the new hire training, you'll take part in a shift bid to determine your schedule. This position is full-time, 40 hours a week. Employees are required to have flexibility to work any of their shift schedule during normal business hours from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Friday from 9 to 3 on Saturday Eastern Time. Agent assigned a shift with Saturday workday will receive a shift differential $1. Agent assigned a shift at the end or after 8 p.m. will receive a shift differential $2 an hour. In addition, base seasonal functional in volume are time throughout the years where overtime is mandated. This position will be a work from home full-time position. If you are interested in this position, the link will be down below. So once again, the salary was not posted, but you know your girl do the research, so you don't have to. So let's break down the pay. So based on Glassdoor and Indeed, it showed that the average pay for this position will be $15.60. That's stating that on Indeed. On Glassdoor, it's showing the average pay for this position is $35,000 a year. So let's break it down. A yearly salary $35,000 will be a monthly salary of $2,916, a weekly salary of $673, and a daily salary of $134, and that's on a $16 hourly salary. So if you are interested in this position, the link will be down below. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, the like, and the notification so you don't miss out any of the hot positioning that I post throughout the day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.